Following up on the video which I recorded yesterday about the market structure and trend lines, the difference between them both, and how you can really save a lot of money by understanding the market structure. In this video today, I'm going to show you a new example with some quick market analysis for the DXY and EURUSD. Let's see. So, right now, I'm showing the DXY chart, okay, the one which I was talking about yesterday. And I believe if you watched the video yesterday, you understand right now by the market structures that we have lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, okay? And what we said yesterday, that this is, we can mark it even on the chart, okay? That here we have the last lower high on daily and also 4 hours time frame, okay? And this is very important point for us, okay? And right now, what I also told you yesterday, that we can mark this one, we can just have it like that, you know, for us, for our reference, that we can treat it as a resistance zone, okay? And as I told you, for a lot of people which they only look at the trend line, by now they almost kind of lost twice, okay? First time when they could see that, okay, we have first touch of the trend line, second touch of the trend line, third touch of the trend line, and the market broke above with a daily candle, okay? And I told you, yes, third touch of the trend line is one of the strongest touches, okay? But also you need to keep in mind the market structure. So those people right now, because they read in the books that, okay, market or the price broke above the trend line, so we will buy from here, and they will put their stop loss, you know, just below this daily candle. And right now, just the day after that, straight away, this candle here stopped them out, you know, by just like hit stop loss straight away. So they lost the first time here. So then when they see this candle right now, like, you know, this bearish engulfing candle, it's a very nice candle for them to start to sell. And then they say, okay, we see this bearish engulfing. We read in this book that after seeing such a bearish engulfing, it's a very good sign to sell. And then they put their sell order and they have stop loss just above this bearish engulfing. What happened? The market stopped them again. So they lost twice, 2 times in a row, just by not understanding the difference between the trend line and market structure and how both work together, but also which one is stronger. As I said yesterday, in yesterday video, that market structure is always stronger than the trend lines, okay? So, and I told you, for us, from even risk-reward perspective, to wait for the price to come here, you know, to this zone here, it will be better from risk-reward perspective. I told you we could use Fibonacci and we could sell from the 78.6, but for me, by understanding and knowing how the market structure work, I like to wait for the price to come to retest the last, in that case, the last lower high on daily time frame. It's very important to see how this daily candle will close. If it will close above, good. So then what we need to, let's say, imagine that it will close above this zone. Good. We need to wait for the retest. If the price will come retest here and it will hold, then we can buy. But a lot of times you will see that the market at the retest, like this is liquidation, okay? And then the market, the next candle, straight away, it will close below. I'm talking about daily time frame. And then in that case, we will wait for the retest and then sell. Let me show you a good example, live example of that case. And we are not going far away. We are going to EURUSD. This chart I have been talking about for so long already. What do you see, guys? The exact same story, but here we are talking about uptrend, while here it is downtrend. So in this uptrend, what do we see? So higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, and then we have our trend line. First touch of the trend line, second touch of the trend line. What happened here at the third touch of the trend line? Market broke below. A lot of people, they will say, okay, right now market broke the trend line, so we start to sell. Yes, in this case, you could sell and you could do some profit, but you need to understand that the market didn't break the trend. Okay, and as far as the price will be above the last higher low, which is here, we are still an uptrend. Let's zoom in and see how the market do this liquidation. So let's remove this just for sake of, I will get back to it. And let's use the same method which I just showed you, that will put this, level here. Guys, what do you see? Exactly what I'm telling you about. So here we have the last higher low on daily time frame. You see strong bearish engulfing candle breaking below, which right now this, fooled a lot of people to sell. But the candle straight away after broke above, and then this candle, as you can see, came for retest. Okay, in the community, let me put it that way, and let me put this one again here. Okay, so in the community, we actually had a buy trade, okay, where we exactly purchased from here, because we understand how the market works around such levels. Okay, and this is just like, I won't tell you, this is just the example. Let's go to 4 hours time frame and you will see it even better. Okay, so this is the last here. Okay, let me just do it like that. I will make it even clearer. So here is the last higher low, and what happened here? Strong bearish engulfing. Okay, let me make it bigger. Okay, so this dotted line is the level which we have, where is the last higher low. So what happened? Strong bearish engulfing, okay, in 4 hours time frame, and then market was retesting, and then boom, straight away bullish engulfing, came back and started to move to the upside, where we have actually the initial trend. Why? Because in general, as I told you in the overall picture, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and as far as we are above this point, we are in uptrend. And what the market did, came here all the way down to retest this level and then move to the upside. And this is just happening again. It is just happening again to the same point here. What do you see here, guys? Same story. What do we see? The market is doing higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. What the market did at the third touch of the trend line? Break below. And that's why I call this area here make or break, because if the market will break below this level, then we will start to move to the downside. But as far as the price is above this level here, we are still in an uptrend. Okay, and just a quick thing where you can see how the third touch of the trend line is the strongest. First touch, second touch, third touch, but definitely we couldn't get into this trade because of the news, and we don't trade around the news. But this is a level where we will be looking at, and as far as the price is above this level, we are still in uptrend. So we will wait for this week. We will see how the price is going to do. Ideally for us, if the price will come to liquidate, break above, we will wait for the retest, and from here we will start to buy. That's all, guys, for this one. Hopefully it's useful, and see you soon.